This is a demonstration of how we want you to perform your bird dog assessment. So in an all fours position with your hands underneath your shoulders, your knees underneath your hips, we first want you to think of pulling up your core to support your lower back, bracing in a 360-degree fashion where you're imagining like a belt of tension, or if you were to be punched in the stomach, you'd be really, really stiff. From here then you're thinking of raising up the opposite arm and the opposite leg. You're just going to take them off the ground first before slowly raising up. You want to think of your fist driving up to the height of your shoulder and your heel driving up to the height of your hip. Try not to overreach where it actually affects the lower spine in a way where you're not actually getting range of motion out of the shoulder or out of the hip. You're gaining that range of motion by moving the spine. The idea with this is we're trying to assess how stable you can keep your spine while moving the limbs independently. Keep your notepad to hand because we want you to take a note here of, did you actually feel like you were able to stay braced with your core, if there was anything odd or unusual about the movement itself.